I just need.
Oh, you stick it in the ground.
It's safe for me.
It's gonna
like
be
this, like this.
I'm gonna stay right here.
Like this.
Don't make it all the way in so it can fly out.
What's up? I already did.
They're gonna go straight for the trees and the fire is gonna start.
I'm doing it.
How many do you have? Four?
Already did, yeah.
Y'all better hurry up. Back up, John. Hold on, don't line them up yet.
You ready? You guys see?
Hold on, wait, where's the lighter? Let me see it, because you're slow. Hold on, wait, where's my lighter?
Real quick, hold on. Before she lights it.
I'm recording this.
Yeah, we all know.
Back up.
I can't really see it now.
Y'all better run.
Run.
You don't have time to do that. Y'all move. Adriana.
Whoa!
It's not what I thought it was.
Yeah, me either. I thought it was gonna fly into the sky.
Me too.
We gotta let them
Yeah.
sit up. Stop.
I can't believe you're trapped in the smoke.
They don't want to.
Haven't.
1.5 should be
Wait,
good.
Dana, wait.
Yeah, you did the wrong one.
So smoky.
Come on. Adriana, come on.
Smoky, smoke, smoke.
Adriana. You're supposed to not put him in the ground, y'all.
So you're supposed to hold him?
Of course not.
It wants to take off.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Let's go get a smoke.
How have y'all not done?
This one and that one.
Yeah,
And this
And
one.
that little one.
It's supposed to take off.
No, how about this?
Oh, look at that.
Which one do you break this one?
It's supposed to take
Adriana?
off.
Hold on. Put it up there.
Hey, hold on.
Oh, we got a man
I know
down.
what I'm doing.
I said, wait a minute.
I'm not doing it.
Here's this one.
It's gonna go
Lay
right
that
into
one up
my
there.
face.
Wait, don't light it yet. I'm gonna help you. Hold on. Give it to me.
If I tap it 2 times, that means move.
Hold on.
If I
Don't
tap
light it
it
yet.
1
Don't light
time,
it
that
yet.
means it's over.
Hold on.
Yeah, just you let it sit up there.
I'm trying.
Don't push it in.
If you don't wait a minute. It's not working.
Sit. Yeah, just like that.
Adriana might want to move. Because it's... Hold on. I can't see. You do it. Move. Back up, y'all. Back up.
Take off! You said it No, you're not. No, you're not.
Hey, come here. There's one more on you guys. Come here, Mama. I thought...
Whoa!
Okay, get your trash.
Help! A crazy maniac is after me!
Yeah.
I'm coming, bro! Help! A crazy maniac is after me! No, help me. She's after me. She's after me. Oh my God. Tell you what, I'll edit your video. I'm gonna spit on you. Tell you what, I'm not gonna edit your video. I'm not gonna edit your face out the video anymore. I get you. Since you told me I'm not gonna edit your face out of the video, so your face is gonna stay in there. I'm coming.
inside. Let's go inside and talk to her.
Busy.
She's watching her shoe. Look at her being busy.
Don't step on these. Don't step on this.
Come on. John, get in here.
No.
Come on, Mama.
Hi. You
Done.
look blind.
Here, I gotta get in here.
Don't step on that.
Oh, don't.
No. Hey, look at just come here, just get it. Because we get them both of them.
But you're gonna put them back.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, wait, do it again. It's blurry.
Okay, let's go.
Let's do the last of the fireworks. Daniel's already riding it.
You want the sparkler?
Oh, I want a sparkle. I want a sparkle.
At the same time.
I want a sparkle one. Can I have one? Give me one.
Here,
Give me one. I want one. Give me
I
one.
think there's two in there, yeah.
Wait, give me one. Alright, I'll give
give me
you one.
one.
I love these. These are my favorites. Sport
Which
color. Which side do you hold it on, Edward?
Oh, wait, you
Right
gotta
here,
hold it the
middle
opposite
part.
way.
Yeah,
You hold it on the
middle
middle part?
Yeah, that's all. Just hold it as far from you.
What are you doing?
Mine.
Here, let's see. Here. Pick that one up.
Pick that one up off here.
I have two. I have two.
You ready?
Alright,
I have two.
Hold them away from your face and away from me. It just still don't want to start.
I can't get it if you not move.
Sorry.
That's not good.
Let me try the other one.
Oh, no, wait, no.
It's not gonna hurt you.
Set it up from Danny.
Edward, I want to do one at a time. Okay. Sparks hit me, bro.
Let me see.
I want to do one at a time. So Hey. put one down now.
Hold on.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Hold on. Would you stop? Come here.
Hold it.
It's going to do all at the same time. Oh god.
Hold on.
Oh, it's becoming bright. Look away from it.
Oh shoot. What happened? Huh? I'm taking the scooter home. Hey, let me see.
Eee.
Shoot, mine went out.
Yeah, you hold it.
I'm taking your scooter home.
No.
If you don't hold these things still,
Here, hold it.
some bit me.
You hold it.
Probably a mosquito, maybe.
Hold it still for me.
Eee.
Hey, watch out. I need to get these up.
This one still works.
Yo, what's up, homeboys? I'm finna sparkle you.
Okay.
You want to get sparkled?
No, stop it! You're so slow.
John, look, I'm taking your scooter home unless we can catch me.
I got it.
You got another one?
No.
John, look.
Say cheese.
For what?
John, this is fun.
Brian, you missed out of fun.
John, this is fun.
Who you? You can't run. Good show you guys.
Oh, crap.
Evil. She's evil. She's evil. Oh God! Oh God! Someone help me.
John, can we ride your scooter?
Yeah.
Go get yours.
But who's gonna hold my phone?
Nobody.
Reed. Oh God! Help me!
Oh, crap.
No, parece. Te va a apestar la mano, ¿eh? Él quiere tomar foto.
What? Hey, get off my lawn!
Get that from?
His teeth look like the piranha teeth.
Tiene diente, mira.
Hey, show it up to the camera.
This is you when you're a baby. Yeah, tengo tu lebra. Put it 1, 2.
Stinky fish. What happens if you put a camera in the fish's mouth?
I don't think your phone was like that.
Hey, no, stop!
Alexia, vente. Ya, vámonos, ya.
Apparently, cameras don't like looking in the fish's buns. Okay, I'll tag you. No, I'm gonna tag you regularly. You better run. We're playing tag. Oh! Also tag you right now. Hey, you're it.
Do I get to tag you?
Yes. Alexia's it.
What? Here, you do it. You can ride on it.
Just do it on foot.
John, Alexia can't play. You get your scooter and we'll play tag on the scooter. Did you see the way it turns?
Yeah.
I like these scooters. Why do they turn like this?
Like,
3, 2, 1,
Daniel,
go.
let's see if Daniel can catch us because we're small. Okay?
Alright, I'm not using a scooter.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna end the video. Alright. Goodbye, guys.